we've got a vented system here and we've got a blockage. So what's happening is there's no water coming out the rads when you bleed them, and the reason that is, it's going to be this cold fill here for the system coming in to the back of this air separator. It's going to be blocked. So what we're going to do, we're just going to get rid of this air separator and whack some T's in, close a couple of T's. So the way we're going to do it is, you've got your flow coming up, it's going to go into the vent first. Off the vent we're going to have cold fill. After the cold fill we're going to have go into our pump. Yeah, we've gone up into the loft already and we've bunged the bottom of the cold fill here, the header tank, the smaller one, yeah, for the heating. We've bunged that one, so that will be bunged off now. Yeah, so there'll be water in this pipework, but no water from the header we were coming out of here. Done. Here you can see we've got a little bit of water in here. So here's the cold fill here. You can see there, completely blocked. Here, completely blocked. Cold fills are always usually blocked around this little T junction here. Just as it enters in is where they get blocked. But you can see there, cold fill there is blocked. And I'm going to see, just to make sure that this pipe is not blocked either. Shouldn't be. Should be water coming out of it as soon as I open it. Yeah. That proves that the pipe wasn't blocked. It was just that little junction there which I showed you. Boiler cylinder, 15 rads, full heating system. So if you get this one, MLCP pipe here. Yeah. Get the jaws, spend another £2 or so there on them. I've done that, so now I've got to get vent into vent, get a T off it, and then get this into the T, and then get that into, okay, give me about 8 centimeters. Put that roughly there. So then we have that there. And then what I can do is basically do it like that. Elbow into here. Get that in like that there. 5 centimeters. Pull through. Then do it just after. See that? Get rid of that. Guys, you need your benders, don't we? 15 and 22.
I gauge it by what's it called?
What?
By the pipe on the other side. I went straight actually. I think he put my hand up here, and I did think he's, I don't know if he nodded or put his back. I don't know what he did. I've seen you where the horses are normally. You know what? I was thinking, I was looking at the horse on the maps, thinking, yeah, I've seen it on the maps on that corner where that church is. It's in the middle of the field. Next to it is a building. It's called something association for goldfish.
Mm.
I thought, what the hell is that? Like, we're keeping like thousands of goldfish there. So it would have been at that point. I was looking at the sat nav and looking at that church.
Because you're looking in my direction.
Yeah. That's it. That's what we want. Do where it meets the form, I think, right there. That's it. Straighten it up and bend it. Straighten it up. And bend it, see if it works. You should leave them wheels up as well. Are they mine?
No, mine.
Put it up against the other thing just to make sure it's going back straight. It's not straight, is it? It's not straight, is it? Little bit more. Little bit more. Let's make it. He says, look at a lot of reviews lately. We are. One way, one way. Money.
Where's your programmer? Here. Okay. Let's call for hot water. Yeah. Let's get the air out of the system.
Need that radiator.
Which one? Not yet. So what I'm doing now, I'm just waiting for this circuit to get hot, yeah?
Yeah.
So this circuit from boiler, coming up into pump, up here, through here, back around the coil, hot, yeah? Once this is hot, the air has been removed from this circuit here, then I'll move over to the rads.
Did that separator valve have concrete?
Yeah. Where's it gone? Oh man, I'm gonna go. I'm bring it back out to you.
Okay.
Yeah, this is getting hot now, so it's fine. As the air's been removed. So the way it works, yeah, you've got your flow from your boiler going here, up here. That's your vent, so it goes straight to the vent. And then after that, you've got a T, which goes to your cold. Yeah, that's your cold fill. That fills your system here. And then here it connects back to your pump. Yeah. The isolation valve is for maintenance use now. Yeah. So there's no need bunging the tank anymore. Yeah. We don't need to bung the bottom of this header tank. We can just close that there and then bung the air outlet. We still got to bung this one. Yeah. At the top. Yeah. The reason I couldn't put a valve here, because this is a safety device, right? So you can't put valves on safety devices. But when you're working on it, you can manually bung it, yeah? So that can get bunged, that gets turned off, it creates an airlock in the system, and now you can work on your rads, yeah?
Okay.
That's done. Here's your lever, and then here you've got your automatic air vent. Before you had your manual one, and I always leave the manual one here, you know, just in case people come in the future, like, oh, I don't like that, you can just put that on, yeah?
Yeah.
You can just put that on back. But I like this one because if it ever gets blocked, you just literally just close it, undo that, put another one on. Yeah? There's no drain down needed. And this was a quite good one because you can take the cap off anyway. Take the cap off, clean it, clean the seating and put it back on.
Sure. Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
See, this circuit here is getting hot. This is hot. The main one is this. I want this bottom one to be hot. Yes, this is warm now. Yeah? So it's telling me all the air. There's no air in this circuit here. From boiler up to here, there's no air. Yeah? But this is the bigger circuit. This one here from the rads. Yeah? So we're going to check that in a minute. Okay. Whole load of air just came out of here. So we've switched it now from hot water to heating. So thermostat's on. Programmers switched over to heating only. You didn't hear it, but a lot of air just came out of here. So the auto air vent has served its purpose. And Curtis is just going to wire wool the pipework.
I'll open that. Yeah. Otherwise it won't work.